Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series where we are daily learning a new formula. My name is Sachin and today also we are going to learn a new formula that is called date value. As you are aware, nowadays we are daily discussing date formulas. So in that manner, this date value formula is also like a date formula. So let's start guys. So before going to this practice sheet, we will see like the what is the description of this formula. So the description of this formula says convert a date in the form of a text to a number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel date time code. So basically, if we are having any kind of date that is in line with the MS Excel time date and time code, so that by putting this formula we will be able to get that particular date and time in a text format. Okay, so let's start guys. So in front of you this is the dates in a text format, and we are going to get those particular dates in a number format or a text format also. So let's start guys. Simply we need to put this date value formula and give the date and enter. So simply if you see in front of you, this was the format, that 31st July 2021. And one more thing here to notice is in some MS Excel, the date and month format is get interchanged. Because of that, we might get an error while applying this formula. For example, if in case that this was the case, and instead of that, like instead of month, we could have put date and vice versa, or the other way around. So in that scenario, we'll get this value error. So be careful and like just check like what is the date format is there at the back end of MS Excel Word. Sorry, MS Excel. So in the next example, we are having this date, and we can simply drag this formula by pressing key Control D and drag it down. So the below here we are also getting this error, like value error August 10, 2021. So I think this is because of the date code is different in MS Excel. So that's why this formula is not capturing this date format. So because of that, we are getting this error. And in the 17th row also, if you see, we are getting this error. Simply like this Excel is not trying to understand the date format, and that's why it is giving error. Because this 15, it is reading as a month, and we know like there are no 15 month in a year. So that's why it is throwing an error. For example, if we are putting 8, let's try to see like it will give the result or not. See, it is reading 8 instead of 15 because 8 months represent the August month. So that's why we are able to get our results. So this is all about this date value formula in terms of basic. But on the other way around, if we are jumping to the next sheet, we are able to see uh, we are having days. Sorry, this date got flamed. So here I have put the date, month, and year. So I have kept here the rand between formula where I have kept like the lower should be 1 and the maximum should be 12, because in a year there are only 12 months. And here also I can put formula. For example, I am putting rand between bottom should be 1 and the maximum should be 31st. And simply I can drag it down. And I can change the format as well. And here I have kept the year as 2025. And here if you see, I just use the concat function by putting this and function as we have discussed while using these text formulas and all. So, and simply if we want to get our results in terms of text value, we can simply drag it down. We can press Ctrl D, and we are able to get our results accordingly. And this rand between formula keep on fluctuating if we are refreshing the sheet. For example, I'm pressing F2 and press enter, so it is getting changed, and vice versa I am getting the like same number according to that. So this was all about this video guys. Hope you like the session, and this formula we can blend with another formulas also. There are multiple things like this. So far this was the basic thing we can apply here. So hope you like the session. Keep like, share, and subscribe, guys. We'll get back to you in the next session. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Yeah, bye.